What's up guys, it's Justin. Welcome back to another video. So today we're talking everything Amazon FBA. Now, in my last video, I had a lot of people hit me up on Instagram saying, Justin, what is Amazon FBA? How can I get started? And do I know any tips and tricks to help them along the way? So this is going to be video 1 of a 5-part series where I teach you absolutely everything I know to get you into the best position to succeed on selling on Amazon. So if you haven't already, press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload the rest of the series. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. So what is Amazon FBA? Now FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon, and that really relates to the side of the business where you're buying and selling on Amazon. Now think of Amazon as what it is a big massive platform where you can literally buy anything you like on the platform. But there's always going to be 3 types of sellers on there. There's going to be Amazon themselves, that they have their own Amazon Basics range and they buy and sell products themselves on the platform. Then you've got Amazon FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. And now that's where businesses, big or small, will have products that they will distribute themselves, but will use Amazon to market their products. And then the final one, which is the most popular and why we're all here, is Amazon FBA. Now that is where Amazon will handle the distribution, they will handle the returns, they will handle exchanges, customer service, they handle all of it. The only thing you need to do as a seller is find your products, pick, pack, and put them in a box, and then send it off to Amazon. And that's really all you need to do. But what we're going to do is sort of break down how you can get started doing that and what are sort of the tips and tricks that I've learned to make the transition and finding the products and everything like that as seamless as possible. So who can start selling on Amazon? And the answer to that is absolutely anybody. It could be you, me, your grandma, your granddad, your auntie, uncle, neighbor down the road. Absolutely anybody can sell on Amazon as long as you've got a computer, you've got an internet connection, and you've got a bit of money behind you. Now, in my last video, I talked about the top 5 side hustles that anybody can start in 2021. And if you haven't seen that one, I've linked it just below the like button, so check it out. But in that video, I left it to the very end because it was the one that you need the most amount of money to start. Now, a good basis, a good comfortable amount that you'd need to get started is anywhere from about 500 to 1,500, just enough so you've got a cushion for you to be able to source your products, buy them, send them to Amazon, and sort of do that with a couple of products to start testing them out. Now, I'm going to put a bit of a disclaimer in here and say this is a business. Now, it is something that you can do part-time, and it is something you can do as a side hustle. But it is also something that you can scale up to the point where you're earning 10, 20, 30, even £100,000 in a month. Now, some of the big sellers are making those kind of numbers, and you can do that too. But the reason why I've got a disclaimer here is because you need to be comfortable with understanding that you might lose a bit of money. Now, with that 500 to 1,500 that you're going to start with, you might lose some of that. And this is coming from a man that has lost quite a bit of money doing this, but that's only because I didn't know the steps to sort of stay away from products that weren't selling or products that weren't selling very well. So you have to be comfortable with knowing that not every product is going to sell, and even the ones that do sell, some complications might happen and you might lose a little bit of money. So that money you start with, be comfortable in the fact that you might lose a little bit of it. Right, so we've spoken about what Amazon FBA is, who sells on Amazon, and how much you need to sell on Amazon. But now what we're going to do is talk a little bit about what you need to do to get the ball rolling. And with that being said, we're talking about a Seller Central account. Now imagine Amazon.co.uk and .com, they're the friendly customer first websites that you go and buy your products. But Seller Central is sort of the back end of the business. And how you get an account with them is by going to sellercentral.amazon.co.uk or .com if you're in the US. But it does depend on region to region. So if you're in France, it's .fr. If you're in Italy, it's .it. It really depends on where you are. But when it comes down to it, once that is live and active and ready to go, you then can focus on sourcing your products. Now, when it comes to sourcing products, I'm going to be dropping a whole video on different sourcing methods, the best ones that I think work well for me and what I think could work well for you, and then how I find if products are profitable or not. So if you want to see that video, make sure you press the subscribe button so you don't miss out when I put that up. But then once you've found your products, it's about ordering them, getting them sent to you, picking, packing, putting them into the boxes to then send off to Amazon. And then once you've done that, it's just about repeating. Alright guys, so that's where I'm going to leave it here. If you stuck around this far, I appreciate your time. Like I said, this is video 1 of a 5-part series that's going to teach you how to sell on Amazon in 2021. Now, if you are excited to see the rest of the series, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And if you liked it, let me know. Press the like button. Any comments, questions, hit them down in the comments or hit me up on Instagram. I'm always active there as well. But like I said, I appreciate your time and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.